Hey everybody, this is Samrat once again in front of you, and in this video I'm going to talk about something that I don't know. Okay, so if you are English speaker or if you are English learner, then you need to speak like this. I no need to know everything and no need to have this basic point or topic all the time to practice. No need to have any teacher, no need to have any excuse. No need to have any excuse that I don't have any Android phone, I don't have internet connection, I don't have any partner, so that's why I can't practice. So except having, you can also continue. That's I am talking right now. So I'm going to share the way you can practice and never make yourself excuse. Okay, so by the way, suppose right now in the place I don't have any company to practice with them, I don't have any qualified teacher I'll go with him or to practice or knowing something better, but I'm not stopping. I'm just continuing my studies, because I the main theme is that the main inspiration I have in my head that I have to continue, I have to keep going, I have to learn, I have to make video, I have to represent myself in front of others, so I have to increase my levels. As a result, you can see right now I'm practicing. Right now, you can see I'm in now natural places. I'm in my village area, but I'm talking spontaneously. Though I'm making basic, making a wrong sentence, wrong something sometimes, but I'm not stopping. This is the fact. You need to carry on wherever you live in. What is going on in your country, but you need to keep in mind that you have aspiration, you have dream. You need to touch your dream. Whenever you have this destination in your head, you have fixed that, then you can do anything from everywhere. Okay, so though I right now in this time I live in Dhaka for my study purpose, but I came back from Dhaka to my area. But so in this area I can't get my any company to practice with them. But I thought that why I start, because I know everything. I know the way I should practice, because every resource, every source we can get from internet. We have this great mentors. So if you need any information, never make yourself excuse that I don't have any teacher, I can get any coaching center or wherever, so where I should practice or I should study, I should learn something. But you have really great teacher. You have ChatGPT, you have Google, you have YouTube, many sources from where you can continue your speaking, you're practicing, you're learning, whatever you need you can learn. Okay, just I mean to say that you need to have this concept. You need to have this mindset that I need to carry on. When you have this, then you can carry on from everywhere. Like me, I'm carrying, okay, this is mask. Okay, you can see this is a popular thing. Maybe I don't know, I don't have clear concept about this story of this mask, but I had this is the plan from maybe British or somewhere. They planned that they need to send the mask in my Bangladesh. By the way, how are you feeling in this independence country right now? We are independent as we are students. So we struggle for something, and we have got now our dreams, our honorable prime minister. Okay, I'm not talking about politically, but I'm saying that your thing, like how you are seeing the country, how they are controlling now. Oh my goodness, whenever I can see that our students, our brothers, sisters, they're working on the roads and they're helping, they're cleaning garbage, each and every sector, we can see our contribution. I feel like over the moon, I feel like top of the world, I feel like really bouncing of the walls. Okay, so I cannot express through my words, and you have to come forward and help the country. It's our country, it's not for any other's father's property. It's our country, we need to save this our country. Okay, so okay, it's not also my topic that I mentioned before. You, though you don't have any specific point, but you need to carry on. Okay, so that I'm saying, though I didn't have any topic, but I'm talking right now, because whenever you know how to speak, how to make sentence, how to I mean, speak in front of camera or any in front of others, then whatever, everything will be a topic. No need to make yourself excuse. Okay, so that's how I'm not making excuse. So okay, so guys, never forget to comment down the view where I am right now. Okay, the maybe the rain, it's may rain. That's the rain is fall down from the sky right now. It's literally little rain, so I have to back my apartment now. And on the other contrary, I will would by this rain. It will be really terrible for me because I carried my mobile phone. I carried my some equipment. As you can see, I just use this for my making videos, and as a consequence, I need to go right now. And on the contrary, I lost my mobile phone, and I can't share my video to you. Okay, so keep practicing, keep going. Okay, so see ya, Allah Hafiz. I think you guys also enjoy with me the view and each and everything. Allah Hafiz. See ya, see ya, see ya.